Good morning. It's 5 o'clock. And I got a nice little glow to the world, even though the sun's not out at all. It takes a lot of work to walk through this much snow. And it has like an inch of ice on top. That's what the sound is. It's interesting. Makes it even harder to walk. The girls are okay. Just came from them. And I thought I should explain real quick. When I say my barn is full, I mean it's as full as I'd like it. Not as full as it's ever been or as full as I'll fill it. At one point, 2 years ago, we had a heck of a storm. I don't remember what that storm was called, but it hit a lot of places. And I had like 30 calves in there. There's no cows. I just pitched 30 calves in there to keep them from freezing to death. They all kept their ears and tails though. So this year when I have 4 pairs in the barn and I say my barn is full, that has to do with not having enough divisions. I don't want anybody to get stepped on or confused or die because I put them in the barn to keep them alive, which happens occasionally. So on ranching, not hasn't happened around here yet, but it's a gorgeous morning. Gorgeous. I think the worst of the storm is over, I hope. We ended up with easily 18 inches of snow. It is well over my knees. It's hitting the grill guard everywhere we go. Easily 18. And then if you add that to the 12 that already melted, 12 or 14 that already melted a couple of days ago, then that's getting to be a hell of a lot of moisture plus the rain in between there. I had to go and open my mouth. Now it's starting to kind of rain now. But anyway. Good morning. You can see the fog in the trees. Nice and still. About 27 degrees. Betsy, come on. There she sits, boys. Up to the running boards. Welcome. Get back in the pickup truck. It works so damn hard. Oh yeah, that's better. Well, so far this morning I had to get the shovel out to get into the animal run. Oh, fell in a mud hole. Pickup is sitting back there behind me, buried in snow. So buried that I tried a little too hard to get it unburied. Now she won't start. She quit. Miles figured out he's an excellent mechanic. But till then, I can't even walk. I'm gonna go see if the skid steer will start. Because we need to start digging out gates and stuff. Because it's still snowing. And we're working on a hell of a lot of snow. That pickup has got really big tires on it. It sits up high anyway. When you're pushing the snow around with the grill guard, then you got a hell of a lot of snow. And I say a lot, I mean like 20 inches. So, let's see if the skid steer will go. This is what I mean when I say there's no bottom. We've got all this snow, and then underneath it, we have sitting water. And it does this sucking down thing, which causes that. A very stuck pickup. Alright, dog, shall we try the skid steer again? We've only got it stuck once. We can do better than that. Oh, there you are. Come on. Miles forgot about you. Yes, he did. That's why you're my dog, huh? Let's go have some lunch. And get back to fighting with the world afterwards, huh? Alright, I lost half footage from the morning, so let me give you a quick rundown on what's going on. This pickup is stuck. That skid steer is stuck. Way over there, the feed pickup is stuck. This was up here, and then it slid all the way down there and got stuck there. I did that. Oh, gosh dang, it's slick up. I thought we were done getting snow. It's still snowing. We have easily over 20 inches in a lot of places. It is, however, kind of melting. When I say there's no bottom to things, I mean this is what we have going on under the snow. Makes it very, very hard to do anything. We had to call the other half of the ranch and send the big tractor over because we are stuck in everything we have, and the cows hadn't been fed yet. That's all the further I made it with a skid steer before it got too slick to back up. Do you want me to go get another shovel?
I just went back this one. No, I think we'll be okay.
don't know what they're gonna do now. I'm gonna try to get my skid steer unstuck. I gave up and went and ate some lunch earlier. I was frustrated because I've had it stuck several times. It is not made for this. It is a very small skid steer. It's more made for like cleaning out barns, playing in the garden, small projects. But I'm gonna put my phone in my pocket because it's very wet out here. So see you guys later. The bunnies? The bunnies. What are you guys doing? Nice and warm and toasty. Having a little fresh alfalfa. Fell off the tractor in the yard. Sad for the cows, happy for you. It's really quite toasty in here. Jack, are you joining the bucket group? Basket group? Not too much snow in here actually. There's some right there. There's the nest. Some snow in here. But all in all, pretty tight. Not bad at all.